Welcome to Joy Property Guide. Today we are taking to a tour to KWIC Villa Community. It's a completely villa community spread across 300 acre. Basically, initially they acquired 400 acre, out of which they sold some of the land parcel to Sapurji Palanji and some other developers, which is in progress. This is the actual video, though someone has already opted and this is available in resale. Some options are there also from developer, but their number is very less. Here no one is residing, so that's how the condition of the villa. Otherwise it is one of the most finest villa community that you will find in West Kolkata. The total township name is Kolkata West International City. It's a completely villa community spread across almost 300 acre in 9 categories, starting from 1058 square feet till 4638 square feet. Depending upon size, it has land availability. On ground floor you have 2 parking with drawing dining area and kitchen. On first floor you have 3 bedroom, and on the ground floor you have also your servant room. This is the actual villa. I'm showing it to you, though it has been locked for a long time, so that's how the condition is. But if you get it clean and if you spend some money, it will be one of the finest villa that you can expect. Beautifully designed, and ventilation is properly maintained, and you can see the light in daytime in each and every corner of the house. It is properly lit. Basically in Kolkata there is hardly any villa community, and if you have the villa community in some other places like Joka or some other place, you can see, but that is not of a big township. Some people have developed villa community in a small portions, which hardly gets to give you normal benefit. But this is completely a villa community where all facilities and are placed, and in front of it Sapurji is already coming up with their residential property. 4 towers has already given positions, and they are coming up with 29 towers. So, and in front they will be coming up with 1 lakh square feet commercial area. So your commercial demand will also be fulfilled. Now we are going to the top floor to have a look of the rooftop. Here it is. You can make it a pergolas or meditation court, whatever you feel like. You can do a little bit of gardening. It's a big size, and here is your view. This is the in front. The view, the land that you see in front of it is of Sapurji Palanji, and they have come up with the residential tower. Yes, this is not a livable conditions as of now. You need to do some sort of modifications, and complete villa community you can see. Basically some of the NRI has purchased that villa a long time back, and they have kept it just like this because they are not residing here. Almost 250 families are already residing, and you need any convenient shopping, your daily needs, all things are present in this township only. And CCTV cameras with security guards are in place to take care of the whole society or township. Situated bang on NH16 or Kona Expressway, it is very much accessible to Howrah, to Splanet. You can reach there in 20 minutes of time. Satragachi railway station is very nearby. We deal with almost all residentials and commercial properties across Noida, Gurgaon, Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Kolkata. We have options starting from 26 lakh rupees for a 1 BHK and 3 BHK apartment within 50 lakh rupees, all inclusive I'm talking about. So if you need any kind of details, we are happy to assist you. This is the servant room I was talking about. This is on the ground floor. Here is your another servant room with servant toilet attached. And there are some land also available if you want to make of your own. That is also possible. If you need something ready to win, that is also possible. The villa community I'm talking about starts from 35 lakh onwards, but don't consider all the unit to be in this price. It is variable depending upon which size you are opting from. Now we are going out. On right hand side you have your garage, and here is your road. Now I'll show you the complete villa in one go. Here it is. For any details, feel free to give us a call on the given number. We'll send you complete details. Thank you.